Want to change or install custom fonts in your Samsung phone? It's a great way to personalize your device and make it look just the way you like. Hey, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change or add custom fonts to your phone. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Tap on the display option and scroll down again. Find out the font size and style option, then tap on it. After that, tap on font style. Here you can see the Samsung default fonts. You can replace any fonts from here, or you can install fonts from here as well. To do that, tap on download fonts. Sometimes it asks to restart the Galaxy Store and sometimes not. If not, it will move you to the new fonts page. Now you can choose any fonts from here. Like I'm going to install Samsung Sans. Tap on the install icon from the right side and it's installed. Now go back. Here you can see the installed font, Samsung Sans. Tap on it and boom, your font is changed and you installed a custom font successfully. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.